All of us have a choice. So that's the way to think, and that's the right way. You will see me as we go by that I will have no qualms of people wanting to explore better things, bigger things, because each of us will have ambitions. And I will encourage each of you personally to do that. There is no harm in doing that. In fact, we should be an organization which should attract the best automatically. We should be a group where everybody would want to work for, you know. So how do we get to that? I just want to give two things to connect with the first day. You know, we all, I've been circulating the 7 habits and the strategy of the top management and giving it in a framework. There are 3 elements to the 7 habits. If I have to do a 3-minute summary, which I did on day 1. Any of you want to attempt that summary again? Then I'll be happy. At least 1 out of the 100 heard me. Only 1 is enough. Okay, for the sake of time, I know everybody's wanting to catch flights. Otherwise, I'll just leave it at that. Maybe when I remind you, you will connect it. The first 3 principles were about whom? About us. Correct. About me. It's about me. Okay. And when you look at, sorry. No, I'm talking about the 7 habits which I showed on the first day. So these, what Major Iyer has articulated, actually is about us first. How do we change ourselves first? So if we want to pledge and do extraordinary stuff, so we are not about the ordinary, right? We have said, otherwise we won't do a marvel. We don't need a marvel. We can do chalta hai. 10% growth, 15% growth, 20% growth, what chalta hai. That is the chalta hai way. We don't want that. Clearly, all of you said we want to regain number 1 thing. So, the first thing is that the 3 principles is about us. The next 3 principle is about interdependence. And I think, in summary, I want you to keep remembering this, because indeed that is how ownership is created. The moment you look at interdependence and try to circle it around is when there is real ownership which comes in. So all of those elements are actually connected, and maybe I'll share over a mail how we have connected it visually for you to see it again, because this is just a broad level summary. And the last piece of sharpen the saw, you know, the 7th habit, is what helps the 2 to continue to grow. And what we do through Marvel is an element of that. It's a small element of it. There are many other elements. And as the leadership team, I want to assure you that we will work on every element. See, in 4.5 months we have reached here. We will reach elsewhere in the next 4.5 months in terms of our processes. So that belief, please have, and we as the leadership team will deliver for you to be able to deliver your outcomes. And therefore, we should be enabling ourselves in that direction. I want to give a very dramatically and different example of, just to take and connect the 2 pieces. How many of you have seen the movie called Life is Beautiful? Oh, that's a fair degree of people. I'm surprised. So, great. Then it helps me sort of do this very well. So, Shashwat, you want to say, what is that one thing about the movie that you liked? You don't recall? Okay. Somebody else raised their hand also?
I know the story.
You know the story. So what was it about? Just articulate, no? In your words. Take a mic. I'll give you a mic.
Father and the son. So it's during the World War II. So son, everything like go and hide. Like it's like it didn't enact like it is as it happening in the cruel way. Like it's a game. It is a play. At the end you will like see the I will gift you a tank. So like he tells in a different way, and the kids also believes that he is like in a play, like game. So somehow like they pass the 5 years after that. So how the journey, like how he makes a kid like in an artificial way to save the from the cruel whatever the and atrocities by the Nazis.
Absolutely. What's your name? Yeah. Well, if a concentration camp for a kid can become a beautiful. My eldest son is now 15. I said, he was 10 around the time that video was shot. So I just felt that he had not seen it. So I actually showed him the video along with the younger one, but I believe the younger one wouldn't have sort of got as much as value he would have. So the elder one would have got 20% only. Don't think he got a very good value. But absolutely, absolutely, yeah, correct. So play ball by ball. You know, I just want to say that, you know, the culture in the teams on a daily basis, and this is for, I would evaluate, and I'm telling you very transparently, the zonal heads will be evaluated based on this culture which we try to sort of onboard in the teams. And indeed, the happiness factor is what is important to work in a team. And if we don't create that happiness factor by the way we build our teams, then we would have failed. Because life is beautiful, and therefore we should build our lives in that way. And largely the 7 of us are accountable for it. I'm looking at each of your eyes. I don't see a couple of you. He's here. That's what. So indeed, indeed, no, and that is what I want to say. If we don't deliver, the 7 of us don't deliver what I'm saying as an outcome for making life is beautiful, then indeed the team will not deliver. So we need to be taking that step forward. So therefore, we need to take steps forward, like for instance, I commit that the 8 hours which we said it'll take for a case, those who want to invite me in the month of April and May, you tell me the dates on which you onboard your first customers, I will spend that 8 hours on Marvel with you. How much time does the senior people compare? So I will give 48 hours to one for each zone, and be the first ARM to get to it in April. I'm committing that. Okay. Now, if each of us commits like that, how much does it leverage? So the RMs also do that. You know, it will really, really lead to a different kind of outcome. So there are certain elements which come out here, which I want to also state it very, very sort of, it may sound harsh also, that what is the kind of discipline we will inculcate in ourselves, you know, whether it's on managing our time, whether it's about, you know, not looking at our phone when we are engaging with people. Some basic hygiene stuff needs to be created through action. And indeed, integrity is more about action. It is not about saying and only the power of your word or commitment. It's also how you act on it. Because the more the seniors are seen to act in a particular way, that will become the culture. So the RMs and ZHs, how you carry yourself on a daily basis will become the culture of the team. Therefore, when I like to say that if we started the session 6 minutes late today, we lost one Marvel case. Because if you look at, we started 7 up to 8 minutes late, I noticed. 100 people, 800 minutes, one Marvel case onboarding we have lost as a team. And it's, if you look at time from that perspective, we will respect each other's time. Some of you keep asking me, how do I manage to play tennis? How do I manage to do yoga? I don't know whether it is to flatter me you ask those questions or you really want to understand. But it is all about it's all about actually being proactive. Yeah. It's all about being proactive. Begin with the end in mind and you will know. I make a commitment to my family that today I'll come back by 9:15. You know, it is late because I play at night. But I make that commitment and I keep telling her that, okay, today I might come by 8 because I want to just leave at 6:45. Bombay, you know, wherever you live, you have to budget for some time to in traffic. So you have to budget. But those small things, play ball by ball. I think start making those small commitments. That's what, if you can reflect upon, and how do you make a daunting task look easy by playing ball by ball. And I didn't say it, Rahul Dravid said it, right? How to do it in a better way. So I just wanted to connect the dots from where we started off, where we ended up doing sessions on Marvel yesterday. I think I was very encouraged by the level of questioning. It is very good to be to questioning it, but it is very bad to be a skeptic. What you should question is to contribute to how it will become better. And indeed, Marvel is just a small step in that direction. I'm again reiterating, if we say that we've got Marvel and we'll survive 10 years or whatever, there's nothing to it. It is just a small step. We have to take further steps to be the good to great journey. Okay, so with those few words, I want to give small mementos of those books to some of the people, and then I've asked some of the seniors to share it with all the teams. So hope you read the 7 Habits and implement it in your lives, because indeed, whether you are an ICICIan or otherwise, it will change your lives. Believe you me, it will.